What's up guys, it's James from Jeeping Adventure, and today we are going to be clearing our oil change light. I don't need it on because I do my own oil changes and I don't wait for a light to tell me to do it. And it's really easy to do, so we're gonna go ahead and dive right on in and show you how to do this. So let's get started. Alright, so the first thing you need is your Jeep, obviously, and then your key. You put the key in the ignition, go to start, don't actually start it, wait for the beeps to stop, and then press the gas pedal to the floor 3 times, and then you should be able to start it, and it should go away. Because if I close the door, it might be helpful too. And it's gone. There you go. It's that easy. Not too bad at all. If this video helped, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. And keep the adventure going.